Quick overview and introduce highlight features of Barnes 1-3-1-411 model SU33LT Preassembled laundry tray sump pump system with SU33 pump. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. For increased reliability, higher performance, longer motor life, great starting torque and lower amp draw. Large 1-12 inches NPT discharge. Passes 1/2 inches spherical solids. 3,450 RPM. Lifts water up to 30 feet. Stainless steel shaft and hardware. Heavy-duty industrial carbon ceramic seal. Oil lubricated ball bearings. Automatic thermal overload protection prevents dangerous overheating and motor failure. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.